Forgot I had this shirt. Now let's see here. Ooh, there we go. She cuts easy. Now let's see. Let's go this way here. Like butter. One of my knives. Oh yeah. Like it wasn't even there. Anyhow, this is a good project that you and your kids can do on the weekend. Take your old, new or old shirts from, shitty ass companies that treat their employees like complete shit. Pay them fucking dick. People at McDonald's get paid more than this fucking company will pay you. Right there. I'm not saying the name, but you can read. They'll put you on your winter layoff. Come January, you'll be like, what the hell? How come my unemployment stopped? I'm supposed to collect all winter because I'm a dump truck driver. And it's because they fucking kicked you off. But there we go. Now I got some good shop rags or ass wipe for the garage. Good talk.